Hey guys, gals, Freds and Fridas. More ludicrous stuff. 1968 here. I'm Chris. Hey, I'm also out of breath. I told y'all this was going to be a this and that channel, and it is, although I'm not going to bore you with this one. This particular part, just showing you. One of my walking sticks, I have to have two, or if there's any kind of distance. I won't necessarily say have to have, but it's much better than. But I need to glue this on. A friend of mine at church found this one. It's all polished up and all, and another friend gave me a different one, but it's already got a foot on it. But no, I'm not gonna put glue on a stick on camera. What I am gonna do today, yeah, there it is. With this little screen on the camera, I'm not real sure, and I'm not real good at flipping the camera. I'm going to be putting a headlight, I hope, the bulb itself. That truck was wrecked on that side when I got it. They cut, if I remember correctly, they cut the wires, which I don't blame them for cutting wires on a wreck site. And then I thought I was having a hard time finding the piece that connects the plug-in for the light, but then the bulb's got to go in there and be retained, and I'm used to General Motors where there's a separate piece that twists in there, and I think it screws on this one. Lee Iacocca, smart man, smart business, whatever, not taking any of that from him. And actually, what I'm saying in a joking way. But they must have been mad at somebody when they designed Dodge truck headlights to change the bulb. Because you got to take the entire assembly out. And one of the blooming nuts to hold it on is in the fender well. As you can tell, I'm not real thrilled about that. I just don't understand it. Overall, I'm a General Motors guy. Chevy, GMC, and honestly, that's because when I was about 13, 14, I asked my dad which he liked if he had it. I was raised in, I was taught to driving a Ford truck, 6-cylinder, 4-speed on the column, 3-speed on the column, no power, nothing, including the engine. And it's good times looking back. I remember all that. But when I asked him, he said he liked General Motors. He particularly likes the GMC Jimmy. Had he said Dodge, I would have been a Mopar guy. It was just that kind of thing. All of them have their issues. I'm actually more fond of the first generation Dodge Rams. I'm sorry, second generation, when they first made it look like a Mack truck on the front. I had one a long time ago. I like that body style the best, but this third generation I'm growing a little fond of. My biggest complaint is gas mileage. This one's got 4.7, weak off the factory floor, but I'll take it anywhere, anytime. If it's time to go to Montana, I'm in Alabama. If it's time to go to Montana, let's go. I'll jump in my truck and go, and that thing has a rattling tick that I haven't figured out quite yet if it's the exhaust manifold or the timing chain. And if y'all know anything on this, I know it ticks loud. It probably won't clatter right now because I drove it this morning, but sometimes it clatters pretty good for 5 seconds or so. 2 or 3 seconds, whatever it is. I've never actually done the count. But even with that, it'll soften up some as I go, but I can hear it out the tailpipe. I've only got one tailpipe. It's the factory. I reckon it's the factory. I haven't touched it. So I can't distinguish left to right, although when I'm in front of it, I'm pretty sure it's on the passenger side. But it'll actually rattle sound, and then it'll slow down to a tick sound. Or maybe a metal tap sound. Anyway, I've showed y'all before, I believe, but that one down there, if I've got the camera pointed right, is the 04 Dodge Ram of mine, same engine. And y'all have seen this one before. Let's see if I can swap the camera. Anyway, whatever. So I've got to do my doings here, and let's see.